Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how we can enable the safe search filter for Google Chrome in 2025. So let us dive into this. Launch the Chrome web browser on your device. And for this method, guys, you won't be able to do this through your browser settings in the top right corner. For this method, specifically, you will need to access the website google.com, here the homepage of Google. And after that, click into settings in the bottom right corner. And from here, click into search settings. What you want to do after that is navigate to privacy and safety here to the left. And here under content, you will see the safe search filter. So what you want to do is click into it and enable it by selecting filter. Or if you like, you may also turn it off here by switching to off. And that's basically it. You don't need to save anything manually here, guys. All you will need to do is start browsing, as you can see here on Google Chrome. So if you again click into settings and search settings here, I will see that the safe search filter is still enabled. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.